How to change Amazon password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Amazon application on your device. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. So I'm just going to skip this step and it will lead me to the home page of the Amazon application, which will look something like this on screen. And if you want to change the Amazon password, what we have to do is just tap on the three icons at the bottom line corner of the screen, and you can see different options. You can also tap on the middle profile icon over here and you'll be able to see different options over here. Now just scroll down and tap on your account, so you can see different options over here. You just have to tap on see all and then just tap on the login and security option under the account settings, and here you can see the option of password. So just tap on edit and you just have a tap on your current password and then enter new password 2 times and tap on save changes, and you'll be able to change your Amazon password. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.